Hello kids. Hello kids. My name is Aashi and I am your teacher. And today I will tell you to lesson German number from 10 to 100. Let's do. First, first try
10. First number 10.
10.
Please write 10.
10. Look. 10.
What will we say in German? 10.
Shape. Shape. E. At.
Okay. Now 20.
Now 20. 2. 0. So,
What will we say in German?
Swansig.
Okay. Swansig.
J. The W. A. And Swans. Z. I. G. Now, die sig.
Okay. 30.
Come beta sign.
Okay.
The double S.
Oh, beta sign means double S in German. Okay. I got it.
Look. T. 0. Look how to write.
Okay.
First you do die. D-R-E-I. Die. Pig. Die sick. You will become dislike. Not gun dislike. Or a little bit like plus.
Okay.
And I-G. Die sick.
40. Now 40. What will we say in English? Oh, sorry. What will we say in German? 40 number?
40 tail. 40.
Yeah.
40 in Fiesen.
Okay.
So I will tell you. First I will. 4 and 0. I make a little bit block. 4 kilo. 40 Fiesen.
Fiesig.
Fiesig.
Yes.
Fiesig. F-I-E-E-R. Fiesig. Sig. Z-I-G. Fiesig.
Now
from C.
50.
F-U-N F-U Z-I-G. No.
Next number?
60.
60.
60.
What will
Jack not come as.
Okay.
One more. Look as E-C-H. Not will become this more as. Only sick. Z-I-C. That's it. All. Yes, and 7-2. 70. 70.
What will we say in German?
Gypsy.
Okay, gypsy.
Gypsy. Look. S-I-E-P. Not come E-N.
Okay.
Gypsy. Z-I-D. Assig.
80. Number of 80.
Okay, A.
First 80 number.
Oh, sorry.
What will we say in German 80?
80. Assig.
Okay. After 6.
Assig. A-C-H-T. Assig. Z-I-T. Non-sig.
90.
90.
90.
Non-sig.
Non-sig.
Non-sig. N-E-U. Non-sig. Z-I-G.
And last 100. What will we say in German 100?
100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. E and 100. H-U-N-T-100. R-R-T.
Yes.
Hundred.
H-U-N-D-E-R-T. Hundred. 100. Okay.
100. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and notification bell in my YouTube, and subscribe to my channel. Comment box in my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.